This is your first camping trip. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going camping, and I'm going to bring y'all along. At the end of September and the 1st of October, we have 5 birthdays in our family. And we like to now just get together at the campground and try to do one big dinner for everybody's birthday to be included. So we hope you like this video at the campground. It gets you away from the crazy world right now, and it takes you to this little campground that you sort of forget about all the problems. I love it. So if that's what you like, come on and join us. We're going to have a pizza cookout. We're going to be riding a buggy. And guess what? We're bringing Banjo for his first camping trip. So y'all come on, pull up a chair, and join us. Thanks for watching. You're supposed to whoop his butt when he does that. We need a puppy. Happy birthday to everybody.
You want to wait till I get done before you give it to me?
Feet right there.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Brace yourself. Hold tight.
Are you holding on?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So hold on. Oh, I said that. Good.
I think I ate 5 or 6 jalapenos last night.
Look at the
It's heartbreaking. But now look at it.
It's all about just practicing.
You gonna got cheese over?
They're gonna use that.
Yeah, they got some open cheese.
Go.
That, Riley.
Oh gosh, y'all getting going?
That's good.
Get the jalapeno poppers cooking. They're
Okay.
just sitting out there.
Lynn's trying to find her inner Italian, and Haley's trying to help her.
Yeah.
Hanging out.
Tough job.
Everything I tried to adjust, I can only get it to 60, maybe 65%.
Huh?
Yeah, Dollar General. But she's quitting. Finally.
Oh, Mama eat it? Thank you.
Because the boys are basketball games are about to start also.
Just wide open, wide open, wide open.
Won't that burn it? Just see what you want to bring over here. We'll see.
Yeah, I done that at home.
I mean, just cheese small will be a good idea.
Yeah, he's the stone up.
Yeah, I mean, it's hot in there, but it's mainly hot on the bottom. One gray and white. Like gray dark calico, like dark red, black.
Anybody else want to make one? Because if you don't, I'm gonna.
Yeah, put all the toppings on it and put it back on there. Chicken. Where's chicken?
It's in a plastic thing.
Make him do this part.
What you hearing?
Oh, yeah.
So, would you make a mistake, huh?
Run into so many walls.
Are you too fast?
Kids room, extra. I mean,